welcome back to Quintana's Entertainment. Sorry we have not been posting in a while. It's because we are in the process of moving. So, today we are going to be showing you around our barn, and we will be showing you our area around here, and then we'll be playing freeze tag.
Like mini games or something like that. And what we're gonna do next is show you around
Now, let's go!
the barn.
We have to be quiet because of the horses. We don't want to spook them. Alright, so we have
3 girls and 2 boys.
this is a girl. This is one of my favorites.
Mine too.
She is like a mix of like grayish and whitish. Beautiful.
I call her Snow White because she looks white.
We have another horse on here, eating, of course. Hello. It has a different white spot on its head, right here. Pretty cool.
They're very pretty. I
Next,
love coming here.
we have pretty cool one.
Oh.
This one, I really like it as well. One of my favorite ones. He's really pretty. Hi.
Let's go show you our other.
Yeah. Now we're gonna show you some cows. All right, guys. Let's go show them the cows. Guys.
Yeah.
No, the cows. Oh yeah, this one only has a little bit of white hair on the top. So yeah. Now let's go to the cows.
Yeah. Onward. Come on. Hurry up, guys. Come on. This is amazing. Watch out.
These are the cows. All right. So the one over here, we have Betsy, the cow.
Betsy.
Her name is Betsy. Let's go to her.
Betsy. She's not scared, and she has a juggly butt. Betsy.
Don't run.
She's 7, 4, 8.
She's a very beautiful cow.
She's a little scared.
And over there, we got Mr. Big Buff. He's a
Yeah,
big,
Mr. Skinny Boy.
he's a buff.
No, he's a
Cow.
little. He's Skinny Boy. He's Skinny Boy.
He's buff.
Skinny Boy. Because he's buff. He's Skinny
Yeah,
Boy.
he's a very buff
No, he's
cow.
Skinny Boy. Skinny Boy. He's like, Skinny Boy.
All right,
Nice
that's a
kitty boy.
girl. No, that's a boy. That's a girl. Yeah.
Oh, whatever.
All right, guys. Now. let's
Okay,
go-
who wins? What is it? Is it a girl? Or is it a boy?
It's a boy.
boy.
It's not a boy. Look at the butt.
It's a boy.
Is it a girl or a
Girls
boy?
produce milk, not boys.
Okay, so wait,
The
Mark.
boys have horns.
Mark, what do you say? Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a girl because it has produced milk.
Okay, and then Rosie, what do you say? Is it a girl or a boy?
I think it's a boy because it's buff.
What about you, Slotten? You think it's a girl or a boy?
Comment below what do you think.
Okay, and then Bella, what do you think? Is it a girl or a boy?
It's a girl because I went to in my old school we went to a dairy farm and we got to see cows and how they milk them and all that stuff, and we even made butter or whatever, and so it's definitely a girl, so yeah.
Okay, so let's look at the cow. Are you guys saying this one?
No, this is Betsy. That's definitely a girl. We're talking about the one
In the middle. Down in the middle.
that one right there in the middle.
Okay, let's do a close up.
Look, it has milk pores.
That one.
That one. The
Yep.
big chubby one.
That's Mr. Buffer.
It's a girl.
That is.
You just stop our video? Mommy!
By accident.
Mommy! Now,
Is on.
guys, let's get on to the reason why we made this video. To play some games! of
Yeah!
course. All right,
Who's it?
so I think we'll be choosing. Obviously, we know who's gonna be the winner. This girl right here. Anyways, I'll just be
it's me.
I'll just be the freezer. So basically, if I freeze Mark, you guys are basically called the warmers. You guys are gonna go warm Mark up and unfreeze him. Okay? That's how we're gonna play it. So let's get started. I'll give you guys 5 seconds to go spread out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here I come, guys.
So guys, we had to stop the game because my little brother lost his toy and we are going to find it. It'll probably turn into a game. Whoever can find it, I don't know, they win. Okay guys, let's
Let's go
find
look.
it.
I'm gonna find it first.
No, I am. The key to finding it is to look and not go fast. Because if they go fast, then that means they're gonna not find it. I'm gonna find it.
Well, guys, Bella is right here next to me, and she says she's gonna find it. But they are all the way over there already, looking for it.
I've been looking for it, walking and looking.
We'll see who finds it first.
Walking, use your senses. Look and remember where it was.
Where could it be?
Guys, what you don't know is I think I found it. Never mind.
Oh, the winner!
What? Where was
We have a winner! Bella couldn't even find it! We have a winner! Me!
The quiet one always wins.
You're not always quiet.
Now we're gonna say where it was located. Mark, will you please give the honors?
Okay. So, you see here, I was walking down this trail, right here, looked, and I saw some yellow minion guy, right?
And he was right here, this spot right
He
there.
was hiding. He was in hiding mode.
Yeah.
He didn't want Slotten to find him.
I think he
All
went
right.
some green plants.
Well, we obviously know who the winner is. This guy right here. And this guy right here also won because basically he got his million back. So he's
And
basically
he was
winning.
eating a piece of grass.
Well, guys, be careful. There's an eggplant on the floor.
Oh no! All right, so guys,
Let's go.
I hope you liked our little adventure, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.
But let's play some more mini games.
More.
More.
Okay then. Come on. What do you feel like playing?
Duck, duck, goose.
Hey guys, this is supposed to be in the video.
Duck, duck, goose.
Run!
Run!
Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye. Have a great day. See ya later. We'll post on your website.
Come on, guys. Let's go.
No, no more running. I ain't running anymore.
Bella's done. She's completely done. She's
What are you doing, Mommy? Are you still vlogging?
No. Who says I am?
Stop.
Well, guys, I hope you guys really liked today's video, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.
Bye. Peace. Blah, blah, blah. Stop vlogging.
Look at that beautiful sky, guys.
Ah.
Look at the sky. Guys, look at the sky.
Now I'm gonna Now I'm gonna play some Roblox. Add me, and my name is. Subscribe
And hit the like button.
for more.
Quintana's entertainment videos.